I'm going to show you how to turn your autoplay on and off. That's when a video will automatically play after you finish watching another video. Let's look at this one right here. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, when I click on it, over here to the right hand side, it says autoplay. So watch when I get to the end. So once it's finished playing, it's going to automatically play the next video, which is this. Then once this video finishes, it will play this and so forth. So let's go back. And we're watching this video again. Let's turn it off. As you can see, I turned the autoplay off, and I'm going to get to the end and watch what happens once it gets to the end of the video. Now it gives you the option to choose which video you want. So I can choose this video I want, or I can come and choose this one. It doesn't matter. So that's how you turn it on and off, by this button right here on the right hand side. So you just click it. So now it's back on. So once I play another video, for instance this video, and I get to the end, once it's finished, it's going to automatically play the next video. As you can see, it's fit to play the next video. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net.